Hi, Susan from El Sue. In this video tip, I'm going to show you YouTube's new sound effects library. They have a library of sound effects, all different kinds that you can use for your videos. All you need to do is go in and log into your YouTube account, your YouTube channel. If you don't have one, go ahead to YouTube and create one. Once logged in, go over to your photo and click on it. Click on Creator Studio right there. Creator Studio is actually YouTube's dashboard. Once you're within the dashboard, click on Create, and now we're within our audio library. First, you'll see the tab for the music clips, which are all downloadable and free, and now there's a tab for sound effects. And you can go in, and first you'll see the featured ones. Click on them so you can hear what they sound like. I didn't really think this sounded like a baby whining. It sounds like a baby laughing. So I saved that one. You can either download it by clicking on the arrow, or you can save to your favorites. So I had saved that one, and I went through a few more. And then you can also go to the category tab, and you can sort by whatever's relevant to the video you created. So if you created a sports video, some type of sports video, you can go in and go through the different clips that they have, the different sound effects that they have. So click on bowling if you did a bowling video, and there you go, you can hear that one. There goes the pins, and to turn it off, just click on the arrow again where the arrow was, and to download once again here, and to add to your favorites here. What's nice about adding to your favorites is you can go through these and have some fun, and then when you go to create a video, you'll already have some in here. You'll say, oh yes, I've already added that bowling one in there. I already added the baby whining or crying or laughing, whatever it is, to your favorites. So that's it on the new sound effects library for YouTube. And we'll have some more video tips coming up soon.